Moose and Shoes here. A bit of a different one. I thought it would be interesting to take apart my laptop and show people. This is a very old laptop. This is a Dell Inspiron 600. Only the best. And I had this when I was in undergrad. I think I even had it in grad school because as you can see, there's quite a few Hawaii stickers. Kaimana divers, awesome. And I was in Hawaii well after grad school, so I think that's very interesting. So basically, I'm going to be getting rid of this probably, and I want to get the hard drive out and wipe it because I have no idea what's on here. So anyways, so the back is great. There's a Windows XP service key, so awesome. And there's also a express service code, so if I wanted to call Dell, I know the number that I can call and say, hi, I have a Dell Inspiron 600, I have some issues. It doesn't do anything. So first off, take the battery off. I don't know if people still do this. It sounds like really strange, but I remember taking apart my computers and building my own computers, and I don't even know if do people still even do that anymore. I have no idea. So let me see my trusty set of random drill bits. Okay, so now we just gotta start taking everything apart and seeing how far down we can get. Whoa! So this is where the RAM is. Oh, there's like little clips here that you can see, and there's little clips here. You can take them off like there, so they come unseated like that. Very cool. Okay. So there's one DIB. It's not even, you know. Oh, it is DDR. Okay, so this is a whopping 256 megabytes. So that means I had 512. It's half a gig. I was so cool. DDR, 330 megahertz. That's so crazy. Anyways, I'll take the other one out. DIM A, DIM B, very important. Okay. What else? There's one. Just trying to see where all the. That was labeled M, or I guess W, depending on. Oh. I think this is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi chip. That would make sense. Kind of. Not sure if I can get this one out, but here. There's the Wi-Fi, I believe. It has a MAC address, so that's always good. I'm pretty sure I can get this out. Just need to figure out how it's seated. I think it's something on the side here. It's just, oh, I want to take these off. There's like little connectors here. Little connectors. You can just pull those off. There's the main and auxiliary. Now that's undone. And, all right, let's just keep going here. So what else we got to unscrew? Basically, this is what you do. You just unscrew everything. Oh, wow. It's pretty. I miss having a magnetic screwdriver. That was great because then you didn't have to do things like that. You could just pull it off. Okay, so Oh, this is also great. PCMCIA slot. Awesome. Okay. It's crazy sometimes how much stuff you have to do just to get to the hard drive. So I took apart my tower yesterday and just it was just the hard drive. Oh, this is it. This is the hard drive. I thought this was like audio, but it's not. This is the hard drive. This is the hard drive right here. And oh my gosh, it's a whopping 60 gigs. But the best thing is, I can't do anything with this because the connections, this is, I think this is IDE. This is pre-SATA. I don't think I have any connections for this right now. So that's exciting. Oh, you can, yeah. So 60 gigs. How you have the jumper set determines if it's a slave or, oh, that's amazing. That's so cool. All right, well that was pretty easy, but now it's not very helpful because I can't do anything with that right now. So it's a bit of a bummer actually. So I'm gonna keep doing stuff though, because why not?